What's the meaning of coagulation? Coagulation. Coagulation.
Coagulation. Coagulation. Coagulation refers to the process by which a liquid substance, such as blood, changes into a solid or semi-solid state. In the case of blood, coagulation is a complex process involving a series of chemical reactions that result in the formation of a clot. This clot helps to stop bleeding by blocking off the damaged blood vessel and allowing the body to begin the process of repairing itself. Coagulation is an essential process for wound healing and preventing excessive bleeding, but it can also lead to health problems if it occurs inappropriately or excessively.